Hello, welcome back to Learning with Ms. H. Today we are going to be looking at Precambrian time. We're going to be doing this for a couple of lessons. So we're going to look at time part 1 today. And we're going to focus in on the beginning of the Precambrian time period. So your assignment for today, you have bell work here. If you click on this, it will pop you into a page that asks you questions about astronomy and how it connects to Precambrian time. So think back to the astronomy lessons you learned in the last unit. See if you can answer these questions about how old is the Earth and how did the planet form. If you can't remember, you can click these links to help you out. So answer those questions and then come back to today's lesson. We're going to watch 2 short videos about Precambrian time. So this first one is an computerized animation put together about how scientists believe the early Precambrian era happened, and they use this term era loosely. It's not an era like an eon, an era, a period. It's an era like a block of time. So Precambrian time, how they think the Earth formed, and you can watch a video animation of that. So click that link. I will put a link to this in the video description down below if you are watching this on YouTube without being in my class, so you can still get to this video. It's kind of a cool animation. It's only about 4 minutes long. It's set to music. There's no words or anything. So you're basically just watching the formation of the Earth in the view of the people who put together the animation based on current scientific theory. The second video is kind of cool. We're going to talk about the Cambrian Explosion, which happens between the Precambrian time frame and the beginning of the current eon, which is the Phanerozoic eon. Phanerozoic starts with the Cambrian time period. So that Cambrian period starts with the Cambrian Explosion. However, scientists have relatively recently, I believe it was in the 90s, discovered a prior explosion, in quotes, of life that happened before the Cambrian Explosion. And we don't mean explosion like a large boom, like a firework or something, or a bomb. We mean an explosion like a proliferation, a massive amount. So it would be a massive amount of life that showed up at that time. So this is a separate explosion of life or proliferation of life that happened before the Cambrian Explosion. It's called the Avalon Explosion because most of the evidence is from Avalon, Canada, in some rock formations found there. Super interesting. The guy talks really fast, but keeps your attention, and I think it's an interesting watch. So take a look at both of those. I'll put links to both of those in the description. The activity that we're going to do for the lesson today is down here at the bottom, number 3. And you're going to look at this website and answer the questions on this document. And if you're in my class, both the bell work and the activity are down here in the assignment section, so you can get to them both there. But we are going to take a look at the website first. So let's take a look at that. This is the website at the link in the assignment, and you're going to go through and read the information here, go through the website, take a look at everything, learn about the 3 eons in the Precambrian time period. There are some videos that you can watch here, but at a minimum, you need to read through the information here because this information is going to be what is needed to answer all of these questions. If you're watching this on YouTube, pause the video and you can screenshot this or jot these questions down. These are some major things that you should know about the Precambrian time period, and you can be looking for these as you read through the website. I will try to remember to put a link to this document where this is housed in the description below as well. But if I don't, just pause the video and watch it here. So go through the website. This is the same website link here just to make it easier for you guys so you don't have to go back and forth. answer these questions and submit it. And when you are done with that, you are done for the day. There's no notes or anything today. We're going to be working on that in part 2. Have a good day, and we will see you next time.